The woman who touched Jesus' cloak, a miracle of faith. In the bustling streets of Capernaum, crowds pressed tightly around Jesus. Everyone wanted to see him, to hear him, to touch him. Among them was a woman weak and weary who had been suffering from bleeding for 12 long years. She had spent all she had on doctors, but no one could heal her. Pain and shame had been her constant companions. Yet, she had not lost hope. She had heard of Jesus, the healer, the miracle worker. With trembling steps, she whispered to herself, "If I only touch the edge of his cloak, I will be healed." Pushing through the sea of people, she reached out her hand. At that very moment, her fingers brushed against his garment, and instantly, her body was restored. Strength returned. The suffering was gone. Jesus stopped. The crowd froze. He turned and asked, "Who touched me?" The disciples were puzzled. "Master, the crowd is all around you. How can you ask who touched you?" But Jesus knew. Power had gone out from him. The woman, shaking with fear, fell before him and confessed what she had done. Jesus looked at her with compassion and spoke words that healed more than her body. "Daughter, your faith has made you well. Go in peace." And from that day, her story became a testimony of faith, a reminder that even the smallest act of belief can move the heart of God.